What is Mojolicious? Mojolicious is a real-time web framework for Perl. It helps developers build modern, scalable web application and APIs quickly and efficiently. Key feature of Mojolicious: real-time support, WebSockets, event sorts, built-in HTTP and WebSocket server. RESTful and routing, non-blocking I/O, async programming language, automatic CGI and PSGI direction, JSON and HTML template support, session management, cookies support, minimal development, very lightweight and easy to get started. Why use Mojolicious? Mojolicious is similar to modern web frameworks in other languages like Express.js for Node.js, Flask for Python, or Sintra for Ruby. It's used when you want to build web apps or APIs in Perl, create lightweight microservice, add real-time functionality like chat or live update. Thank you for watching.